Hello guys, this video is on TagMate's migration module. In this video, we will show you how to migrate a standard tracking tag from the UA version to the GA4 version in a matter of just a few clicks. Standard tags are mostly used for page view tracking, standard or custom event tracking. Once you land on the TagMate URL, click on the Sign in with Google button. After opting to sign in, select the account you want to use. Just make sure that the account you select is the same one connected to your Google Tag Manager and your Google Analytics account. Once your account is created on TagMate, you can click on the Continue button to proceed. On the home page, you will see three modules. Since your objective is to migrate existing UA tags to GA4, you must click on the third module, that is UA to GA4. Click on Start Project. You are now on the TagMate dashboard screen. On the left navigation, you can check your selected GTM account. You have the option to change the linked account. Click here to do so. You can also check the workspace details. This workspace holds all the existing UA tags which you want to migrate to GA4. You have the option to change the linked workspace. Click here to do so. On your dashboard, you can see that there is a segregation of standard, advanced, and miscellaneous tags that are created. You can also see the list of all the GA4 config tags that have been created in the workspace. You have the option to create additional tags. We recommend that you migrate most of your standard tags before proceeding to the advanced ones. Click Explore to see the list of all standard tags in your workspace. You will be redirected to the tag listing screen where you will know the status of migration for all your standard UA tags. You can also see how many total tags are there with the GTM account, how many have been migrated, published, and how many tags are still pending. If the status tag is pending, you will see the migrate action. If the tag has already been migrated, it will show the migrated status. Select Migrate against a pending tag. A form will open up which will be pre-filled based on the existing UA event tag configuration. You will find the tag name has already been pre-populated according to GA4's best practices format. If you want to change the GA4 config tag, you can do so or continue with the pre-filled details. You can see that the event name has been pre-filled along with all the event parameters. In UA, event category translates to event name in GA4, while event action and label translates to event parameters respectively. You have the option to edit the name or the value of these parameters. If you need to add user properties, you can do so as well. Once you have checked the naming convention and values to be migrated, click on Migrate. You will now be redirected to the original dashboard. The tag now shows a migrated status on the dashboard. This completes the migration process of one such standard UA tag to GA4 tag. Before we end, you can cross-check whether this tag has been successfully migrated into your GTM account. Open the GTM account and select the right workspace. Search for the new GA4 tag and check the migrated tags configuration. You can see that the tag migration has been successfully done. If you have any questions, you can click on the Help Center for more how-to videos and documentation, or you can raise a request with our support team and we'll reach out to you within 24 hours. Thank you.